A restaurant purchased kitchen equipment on January 1st, 2017. On January 1st, 2019, the value of the equipment was $14,600. It's interesting because even though they bought it in 2017, they wrote the equation with 2019 as their base year. See, the 14,600, that's written right here. So how much did they pay for this kitchen equipment? Probably more than 14,600, right? Because you buy something, it gets cheaper every day. The value after that date was modeled as follows. And as you can see that the rate R is negative here. Okay, it's an exponential function. It's a continuously compounding exponential function. Do you guys see that pattern? A equals P times E raised to the RT power. We can see that the R is negative 0.1454. So definitely the value of this kitchen equipment is decreasing every year. Or I should say every single minute, every single moment. A is asking what is the rate of change in the value of equipment on January 1st, 2019. So January 1st, 2019 is T equals 0 because this function right here uses 2019 as its base year. So it's very easy. We say T equals 0, but they're not, okay, maybe it's not that easy because they're not asking for the value. They already have that, but they're looking for the rate of change, right? So what do you think they're asking? Rate of change in value. So how is the value changing with respect to time? That's what they're asking. They're asking us to find v prime of t. So let's take the derivative of this function. So remember theorem number 6 that we saw. You have to multiply that coefficient by this exponent. So if I do that, I have to do 14,600 times negative 0.154. And you must copy down that exponential term exactly the same without changing anything. Don't you change anything. But I just need to multiply those two numbers now. All right, where's my calculator? If I do 14,600 times negative 0.154, that comes out to be negative 2,248.4, and copy down that e to the negative 0.154t. All right, let's plug in 0 there now. V prime of 0 is, and I'm plugging in V of 0 because 2019 is our base year, so T is 0. Negative 2,248.4 times e to the negative 0.154 times 0. Well, you know, this is just 1. So what is V prime of 0? It's just negative, let me put some unit here too, $2,248.40 per year. It's negative. What does that mean? That means in 2019, January 1st, this kitchen equipment is going down by $2,248.40 per year. It's getting cheaper. Okay, what's part B? Part B is asking what was the original value of the equipment on January 1st, 2017. Now we're going back in the past, right? So look, in 2019, T is 0. In 2020, just gonna make up something for you, T is 1. T is the number of years from 2019. In 2021, guess what? T is 2. You see what's going on here, right? But we're not going in the future. We're not looking in the future, but we're actually going backward. So what do you think T is for 2018? T is -1, and 2017, listen, that is 2 years before 2019, so T is -2. For that reason, I'm going to use T equals -2, okay? So in 2017, T is -2 because 2017 is 2 years before 2019, which is our base year. Okay, so what are we doing? The original value of the equipment. So I need the value function this time. I'm going to copy this. And guess what? I'm going to plug in T equals -2 here. They don't care about the change in value. They actually care about the value. So what we need to get is we need to get the value to be more expensive than 14,600 because that's the price that, you know, whoever actually paid for to buy this equipment. -0.154 times -2. How much was this machine when first purchased in 2017? I need a calculator for this part, so I'll go ahead and type in 14,600 times e to the -0.154 times 2, -2. Look, this kitchen equipment was $19,000, $19,866.23 when purchased brand new in 2017. So that is what you can do to answer part B. This is a nice problem. I like it a lot. I think I'm going to put this on your second test. So that concludes lesson 2.2. You do have 12 question homework on this section. Many of you are finishing your test 1 this week. Good luck. I will see you next week then.